This is YFH02001S on my wrist and 1B over here on the stand. This is part of Orient Star Retro Future Collection, and you're looking at the camera model. Now what Orient has done with this collection is used 4 industrial motifs found in the 1950s. And this one is designed after a retro camera. Now going deeper into the design, let's take a look at it. Notice that the bezel, let me take it off, I think it's a little easier to show you. Even if you take a look at the side of the bezel, or even taking a look at it like this, it is one of those click, retract designs. It's got a edged bezel, I don't know if it's edged but checkered, and also has that same design on the crown. What I really like about this dial is that it has obviously the power reserve indicator and the semi-skeleton holes, but what makes it really special is that modeling after camera, that they place the shutter marks, and if you can notice, like this, round, like this, and it makes the dial look very, very interesting. Notice how the white plate over the base over here makes the dial look very, very special. Even the bezel, the numbers on the bezel looks like something that you see on the focus ring. The band is absolutely amazing. Take a look at this. It's got a very, very interesting feel to it. Not feel, but a look to it. And it's extremely comfortable. It has an exhibition case back, as you can see. And what you probably can't see is that it's curved, so that it balances really well on your wrist. The buckle is a 2-button release fold over. It has the Orient Star logo on the buckle. This is YFH02001S, and this here is YFH02001B.